Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas and some Meeden Black paint that I'm going to spread as a layer, and I'm going to fast forward just in a second. Now I'm going to use some Amsterdam Black. Mixed with Colourarte Colors 800. It's looking kind of lumpy, so I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm going to throw some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold in there. Some Baltic Amber. African Violet, a little bit of deep amethyst, just noticed this bobbing for apples. That might not be red enough. Got some jasmine. Odd combination to be sure, but that's okay. Some chrysocolla. I have more paint than I need already. Some Mystique. But that might make it interesting. I need to use some Tickled Pink. Purely pigment. Some Royal Sapphire, which looks altogether too much like the chrysocolla, but it won't hurt anything. And what I started with, which is what I'm actually finishing with, is Tiger's Eye. Which is actually very pretty. I'm tempted by a little more African Violet. Is there anything else like Black Raspberry that just fell into my hand? And I had to decide if I was going to use black or white cell activator or what color it was going to be. And which tool I'm going to use. I think I'm going to throw that spatula in the bucket, grab a large stainless steel spatula, and maybe the Pevio, I think it was iridescent in fact. And where's the black? They're both cell activators with Australian Floetrol in them. I've got turquoise too, maybe I want to use that instead. I've also got Dancing Fuchsia, which is something I want them all So I'm just going to go ahead and give myself permission to use them all. I should use some white too. Now do I have enough elbow room? Hopefully I have enough cell activator. Wipe off my spatula or grab one of my silicone brushes. Throw them both in the bucket. Now, I want an edge catcher and I have them. That's every bit as interesting as I thought it was going to be awful. I see something in there I'd like to get out. Looks like a fish. Now it's time to move everything down. Might use some of the paint on the edge catcher to fill in this little place where I wiped off my tool on that end. I kind of like the negative space. I think I'm going to keep it. But I'm going to grab another silicone brush. And alter that a little bit. I might be interested in doing it again. Right down here. That's actually pretty cool. I don't think I'm going to make you stay and wait while I hunt and peck with my tweezers. But I might be interested in seeing what will happen. If I make a funky shape, do the same thing down here. Happily. Let me grab a skewer for a sec. Am I really done? I do need to torch. There are bubbles. I'm kind of interested in adding some black cell activator. That's kind of crazy, huh? I don't mind that. Much. I want to do something over here. There, that actually turned out pretty neat. Quick torch. Now that I started adding spirals, I kind of don't want to stop. So I'm thinking, where did I see something I wanted to mess with? Not usually a good idea to do this after torching, but I know the paint is pretty heavy, which is an assurance that it probably won't be a problem. And now I'm actually done. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.